Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samyullah192. Today my topic is about how to put the LG thermostat from cooling mode to heating mode. Nowadays there is outside temperature is very cold, that's why we need heater in our AC. So let's start our video. So this is our LG thermostat. You can see this is the LG thermostat, temperature, fan speed and operation mode. So this is the power on off button. Let's start our thermostat. This unit is on the cooling mode. You can see this is the compressor symbol. So this is on the cooling mode and set temperature is 21 here. Our room temperature is 20.5. so we want heating mode. So this is the operation mode, so we can press the operation mode. So this is the operation mode. You press here, it goes to dry function. Now press it again. This you can see, that is the symbol of heater, the sun means it's working on heating. Now you can see this is the 20.5 set temperature, room temperature, and our set temperature is 19. So if our outdoors is not working now, so we need to increase our set temperature, then our compressor will be working on the reverse system. So let's see, it will take time. For after some time it will work. Our outdoor will be start when you put the 28, because our room temperature is 20.5 and our set temperature is now 28. So when the heater will work, the heater will start. When the heater will start, when the temperature will go up to 28 degree set, then our compressor will be speed will be slow down and maintain the temperature in the room. So this is the system how to convert LG's inverter AC from cooling mode to heating mode. So this is the video we make. I'm sure it will help so many people. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Samyullah192. Like and subscribe my channel.